my cookbook. Okay.
What are you making?
We're going to be making chocolate brownies. This is the recipe. This is all the ingredients, and it makes up to up to 16 squares. Okay, we have dark chocolate, 200 grams of it, 200 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 200 grams of caster sugar, a vanilla extract, 80 grams of plain flour, 80 grams of dark chocolate butter or chopped plain chocolate. Okay, so we're gonna now heat up the oven to 180 degrees. If you're using gas, if you would put it on 4 as the heat. And we've also lined a 20 centimetre square baking tin. So now we need to fill up the pan with 1 water full with water set over a high heat and boiling the water. Okay, so now we're going to start catching up the butter and breaking the dark chocolate into the bowl. Okay, so now we cut up the butter. Now we're going to break up the. So now we're going to break up the chocolate. Now we've just been waiting for the water to finish to boil, and then we're going to take it off the heat so we can start to let the butter and chocolate melt together. Anyway, we're going to be back in a bit and we're going to stir it every now and again. So now what we need to do is crack 3 eggs, put caster sugar and vanilla extract into a separate bowl whilst we're waiting for the chocolate and butter to melt together. Okay, so now we're going to add the sugar, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right, so now we're going to start heating up the water to a boil, and we're going to break up the chocolate and cut up the butter into chunks, and we're going to put it into this bowl over here. So don't be that warm now. So now I'm going to start pouring.
I'll lick the spoon, make sure it's okay.
I'm going to start pouring the chocolate mixture in. So now we're going to mix it, whisk it again. So we'll be back in a bit for that. So now what we're going to do is carefully pour the chocolate and butter mixture into the other one carefully, and then we're going to mix it carefully, and then after that we're going to add to sift. We're going to add flour to it, and you need to sieve it through. You can either sieve it through first, or sieve it through straight into the mixture, depending on what you want to do. Right, so now we're going to add the flour and whisk it in. And then after that we're going to add the chocolate buttons. So now we're going to start stirring in the chocolate buttons into the mixture. We've used 3 different types of them: dark chocolate, milk and white, all from different brands. So now I'm going to try the brownie. It's very good, and if you want to see another cooking video, just tell me. Okay, bye.